Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the matrix multiplication and the properties of matrix addition. In order to better understand this episode, I suggest to visit the previous episode. I have given the link in the description. Matrix multiplication. Here two cases are there when the order of the matrices are same. How to multiply the two matrices. Second case is when the order of the matrices are different, how to multiply the given two matrices. Let us consider two matrices are of same order. For time being, capital A is equal to 2 minus 1 3 0 and B is equal to 4 3 2 0. Two orders are same, two matrices of order same, 2 by 2 2 by 2. Let us see how to multiply these two matrices. A B is equal to 2 minus 1 3 0, B matrix 4 3 2 0. 7 shape. That means first entire row of the first matrix. First row of first matrix you have to multiply with the first column as well as second column. That means, listen here, 2 into 4 8 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus minus 2. 2 into 3 6 plus minus 1 into 0 0. Now first row over, second row you have to multiply with the two columns of the second matrix. 3 into 4 12 plus 0 into 2 0. 3 into 3 9 plus 0 into 0 0. This is the resultant matrix. That means 8 minus 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 0 6. 12 plus 0 12. 9 plus 0, this is 9. This is a resultant matrix of order 2 by 2. Yes or no? Now this is the matrix multiplication whenever the order of the matrix are same. Now we are going to see when the order of the matrices are different. When the order of the matrices are different, how to multiply the given two matrices. For that, let us consider a matrix of order 3 by 2 and another matrix of order 2 by 3. How we are going to multiply? Listen. AB. B matrix 2 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 2. Yes or no? These two matrices. First entire row of first matrices I have to multiply with each column of the second matrix. Yes or no? That is 2 into 2 4 minus 7 into 1 minus 7 into minus 1, that is 7. Now 2 into 3 is 6 minus 7 into 0 is 0. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus minus 7 into 2 minus 14. Now second row, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 0 into minus 1 0. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 0 into 0 is 0. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 0 into 2 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 1 into 2 is 2. Is it clear to everyone? Now, listen. 7 plus 4, 11. First element is 11. 6 plus 0, 6. Minus 4, minus 14. Minus 18. Now 6 plus 0 6. 9 plus 0 9. Minus 6 plus 0 minus 6. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 6 plus 0 6. Minus 4 plus 2, that means 2 minus 4 minus 2. This is the resultant matrix. Listen here. This order, that means first matrix of order 3 by 2, second matrices of order 2 by 3. First matrix of order 3 by 2, second matrices of order 2 by 3, then the resultant matrices of order 3 by 3. Yes or no? That means when the order are different, when the order of the matrices are different, the matrices has to be like this. First matrix number of columns is equal to the second matrix number of rows. First matrix number of column is equal to second matrix number of rows. Then the resultant matrices is of order first matrices number of rows and second matrices number of column. Such a type of matrices we have to multiply in this way. Is it clear to everyone? If capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, capital B another matrix 2, 3, 4, we have to find AB. First GT, given that capital A 1, 2, 3, order of the matrix is 3 by 1, and another matrix capital B 2, 3, 4. What is the order of this matrix? 1 by 2. First matrix is of order 3 by 1. Second matrix is of order 1 by 3. Then the resultant matrix is of order 3 by 3. After multiplying AB. So AB is equal to 1, 2, 3. Another matrix 2, 3, 4. That is B matrix. After multiplying, listen carefully. First entire row I have to multiply with 3 columns. Entire 3 columns. Yes or no? So 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 4, 4. Second row, 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 4s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. You got the 3 by 3 matrix? Yes or no? This is the resultant matrix whenever we are multiplying A and B are of different order. Now we will discuss about the properties of matrix addition. Before entering to these properties, you should know whenever the two matrices can be addable, that means addition is possible only when the two matrices are of same order. I have already told. Whenever the matrices are of same order, you can add two matrices. Now let us see the properties of matrix addition. For any two matrix A and B, A plus B is equal to B plus A. That means 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5. Yes or no? Same property. That is, for any two matrices A and B, that means for any two matrices are of same order. For any two matrices A and B, A plus B is equal to B plus A. This property is known as commutative property. This property is known as commutative property. That means matrix addition is commutative. Now second one, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. For any three matrices are of same order A, B, C, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This property is known as associative property. Associative property. That means matrix addition is associative. Matrix addition is associative. Now, A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A, where O is nothing but a null matrix or void matrix or empty matrix or zero matrix. A plus O is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. That means for any matrix, if you are adding with a 0 matrix, you will get the same matrix itself. That means 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. The same thing, if you are taking any matrices, add with a null matrix or 0 matrix, you will get the same matrix. This property is known as additive identity property. Additive identity. Additive identity property. Now the last but not the least, last property is known as additive inverse. Additive inverse. A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to O. That means null matrix. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. The same concept, A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A is equal to O. That is nothing but a null matrix or empty matrix or zero matrix. For example, capital A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4. What is a minus A matrix? That means I have to multiply this minus with the entire element of this matrix. That means minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. Then what I have to do? This matrix and minus A matrix I have to add. That means 2 plus minus 2. That means 2 minus 2. That is 0. 1 plus minus 1. That means that again it is 0. 3 plus minus 3. Again 0. 4 minus 4. That is 0. That is nothing but a zero matrix or void matrix or null matrix. So today we have discussed matrix multiplication for two conditions: whenever the order of the matrices are same and whenever the order of the matrices are different. And we have seen one problem also now, and also we have discussed properties of matrix addition: commutative, associative, additive identity and additive inverse. Thank you.